The era of the dinosaurs started after the Triassic-Jurassic extinction and lasted all the way until the end of the Mesozoic era, about 66 million years ago. It suddenly ended with what is known by paleontologists as the Kipigeme mass extinction, or the Cretaceous-Paleogene boundary event. The event gave the opportunity to new organisms to evolve and diversify, including brand new predators, among them one of the most fearsome ever to roam Earth, the Titanoboa cerrejonensis. The Titanoboa is, as far as science can tell, the largest snake that has ever existed. Its name comes from the fact that its holotype fossil was found in the Cerrejón coal mine in Colombia, one of the largest open-pit coal mines in the world. The story of its discovery went around the world with really fantastic titles like biggest snake to have ever existed has been found. And it wasn't for less, since the study suggested that the size of the Titanoboa was something never seen before. To understand it, think about this. The average size of a boa constrictor's vertebra is about 3.5 centimeters, while one of the vertebrae of the Titanoboa measured around 14 centimeters. The heaviest living snake is the Onyctus murinus, weighing around 250 kilograms, or 5 potato sacks. But that's nothing compared to the weight estimate of the Titanoboa, at around 1,140 kilograms, or 23 potato sacks. If that doesn't make much sense, have in mind that the longest living snake is the Brachymerus reticulatus, with most individuals measuring around 6 meters. But the Titanoboa is calculated to have measured around 13 meters. That's almost as long as a Transmillennial bus. Here's an average person for scale. After finding the single vertebra, the team continued the search and finally found more fossils which helped them to fully identify the animal. So, after some analysis, they arrived to the conclusion that the Titanoboa belonged among the Boini, a suborder of snakes that encompasses the boas. So basically, it closely relates to modern pythons and anacondas. After they found the other fossils, they found other individuals. Nearby, there were fossils of different animals, including crocodiles, fish, and some mammals. This implies that the Titanoboa wasn't just massive, but that it was an important predator in its time. But the research team did not stop there. It is known that snakes, as all other reptiles, are ectothermic, which means that their body temperature depends entirely on the environment. Depending on the size of the reptile, different temperatures must be sustained in order to maintain normal physiological functions. Earth's temperature has changed a lot along its history. The Paleocene was one of the warmest geological periods of the planet, where the global temperature ranged on average from 10 to 12 degrees, quite high if compared to today's 0.9, according to NASA's report on 2017. Organisms like Titanoboa help us calculate more accurate information about prehistoric ages. It also shows us how life adapts to environments that would seem uninhabitable today. However, it opens several questions about the kind of creatures capable of thriving in extreme climate change conditions, which are related to the aftermath of the meteor strike that wiped out all known avian dinosaurs. Fossil records from the following 10 million years are rare, and so our knowledge of the Paleocene is quite limited, which means that discoveries like these are incredibly valuable. They enlighten our past so we can make better future predictions.